Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Affinity Designer. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to come on over to affinity.studio and the page should look similar like this, Affinity by Canva. Now, what we need to do, once we're on this page, it's going to have a green button that says Get Affinity. Then from here, it will say Affinity by Canva. It is $0. It is free. So this is the all-in-one creative app with everything you need to craft designs, edit images, and lay it all out without ever leaving your document or paying for a thing. So that's cool. So go ahead and click on sign up to download. So we need to sign in with our Canva account. So if you got a Canva account, just sign in. So as it already says here, I'm already signed into Canva, but if you're not, go ahead and sign into your account. If you don't have an account, just quickly make one in Canva. That is free also. So I'm going to click continue here. Now from here, we're going to come to the download section. Now what we need to do is, depending what type of machine we're running, so we've got desktop Mac, so we can download for Mac OS, or we've got desktop for Windows. So Affinity runs fast even on mid-range machines, but loves a dedicated GPU. So click on the little drop down menu. Now we've got 4 options, so this might be a little bit overwhelming, not sure which one to pick, but that's okay. I'm going to run through what these are. So basically the first one here, Windows, Intel, AMD. So choose this if you have a normal Windows PC or laptop. So this is the correct option for 99% of Windows users. So you have an Intel or AMD processor unless you specially bought an ARM based device. Now with Windows ARM, so choose this only if your computer uses a ARM processor. Examples of a ARM Windows devices is Microsoft Surface Pro X, Windows Dev Kit 2023, or some Snapdragon powered laptops. If you don't know your CPU type, you're almost certainly not using a ARM device. Now the enterprise ones here, so these are for large companies or IT managed environments. So basically ignore these bottom two. They offer extra development features not needed for home use. So because I've just got a normal Windows PC, I'm going to choose Windows, Intel, AMD. So I've already downloaded this. So once it's downloaded, go ahead and open it up. So let's click out of that download. Now what I'm going to do is just minimize that. So install Affinity, published by Canva. So basically what we want to do is click on the install button, and also you got the option here to launch when ready. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on install. Now from here it's going to start the installing process, so getting the system ready for install. So let that run its course. So I'm just going to pause this video and get back to you in the next step. Okay, so from here, it's going to say Affinity by Canva, log in or sign up to Canva through your browser, then we'll bring you back here. So go ahead and click on login. Now it's going to open a tab where you log into your account. So I'm going to continue as my name. All right, then open Affinity. Go ahead and click on the open Affinity. Now it's going to say, please wait. And now here it is here. So that's how to download and install Affinity Designer on your Windows PC.